Hi everyone, okay, so today we will continue the subtopic 6.3 application of arithmetic and geometric series. Okay, so let's go to example number 1. Okay, a lecture has 25 rows of seat in the first row, 28 in the second, 31st in the third, and so on. They want us to find the number of seats in the 70th row of the lecture hall. Okay, let's first highlight 25 untuk first row, 28, second, 31st, third. So they want us to find 70th row. Okay, so first thing solution, let's look. So our T1 would be 25 sebab first row dia ada 25 row. So T1 25, T2 is 28 and T3 is 31. Okay, then first thing first, if you want to know whether the sequence is arithmetic or geometric, you can try to find the difference or the common ratio. So here let's find the common difference first. Okay, so common difference D1. D1 is T2 minus T1. T2 is 28 minus 25. Then you will get 3. So second common difference T3 minus T2. So you will get 31 minus 28, which you will get 3 also. So when you have same common difference, awak dapat common difference sama. Contoh kat sini 3. Means sequence-nya adalah arithmetic. For example, you find D1 is 3 and suddenly D2 is 4. Means this is not an arithmetic. Ini bukanlah arithmetic equation. Jadi cuba pula cari common ratio. So kalau common ratio dia sama, bermaksud dia adalah geometric series. Itu je cara dia. Okay, simple saja. So since you know that it is an arithmetic sequence, okay, so since it's an arithmetic sequence, we can now use the formula Tn equals to A plus In minus 1 D. Tolong ingat formula ni ya. Okay, so bila arithmetic sequence, Tn ini satu je formula dia. Okay, Tn equals to A plus N minus 1D. So let's find, they want us to find when N equals to 17. So substitute our A is equals to first term. Okay, so A is equal to first term. First term is 25. 25 plus N minus 1, which means 17 minus 1. Our D is 3. And we get T17 is 73. Okay, so therefore, don't forget to make a conclusion here. It's very important. Sometimes you get marks here. It's a conclusion. The number of seats in the 70th row of the lecture hall is 73. Okay, so let's go to example 2. So example 2 here. Let's look at the question. A tired dog is trying to find its way home. It traveled 900 meters in the first hour. Okay, let's highlight that. Okay, travel 900 meter first hour, 720 meter second hour, 576 meters in the third hour. So if the dog travels up to 6 hours, find or determine his total travel distance. Means dia nak tambahkan keseluruhan 6 jam tu. So awak kena faham, yang atas ni dia bukan nak cari sum, dia nak cari 17th row, dia nak T17. So here they want us S6. Okay, S6. Bila cakap sum je, travel, if the travel up to 6 hours, find the total means sum. So S6. So first thing first, like I said, determine whether the sequence, determine the sequence that we have here. So whether arithmetic or geometric. So first we jot down the first term. The first term is 900 meters. Second term is 720 meters. And then the third term is 576 meters. Okay, so you doesn't need to put meters, just put the numbers. So first we try by finding the common ratio. So common ratio is T2 over T1. Our T2 is 720 over 900. So you will get 0.8, and then we find our second common difference, T3 over T2. T3 is 576 over second term is 720. So you will get 0.8. So here you can see that the common difference, or the common ratio is the same thing, 0.8. So what if I try finding the difference? So D1 will be T2 minus T1. So what do I get here? So 720, sorry, T2 minus T1 is 900. Okay, so using this formula, D1, D1, D2. Okay, so you will get, okay, 720 minus 900, get negative 180. Try find D2 common difference to T3 minus T1. So you will get 576 minus 720. So 576 minus 720. So you will get negative 144. So it doesn't give you the same value. Okay, doesn't give you the same common difference here. This is negative 180. This is negative 144. Therefore, we can't use arithmetic sequence. Okay, so this is just to check. Okay, so because it doesn't have the common difference, so we try common ratio. So since we know that this is a geometric series, a geometric sequence, so we want to find S6 here. Okay, so S6, as I say, we have two conditions for geometric. First, if the R is common ratio, if R is less than 1, then we use the purple one. Okay, if R is greater than 1, we use the yellow one. So our R is 0.8. 0.8 is less than 1. So we use the first one. This is the second one. Okay, so S6 is equals to our A. A is 900. Where do I get? T1. T1 is equals to A. First term kita sama dengan A. So 900 times with 1 minus R kita adalah 0.8 power of N. N kita adalah 6. So 0.8 power of 6 over 1 minus R. Our R is 0.8. So just using a calculator, you will get 33,000 3320.35. Banyak 3,320.35 meter, because here we are dealing with meters, 720 meters. So you can convert it into kilometers. So just give it in the conclusion. The dog's total travel is 3.32 kilometers. So that's all. Okay, they want us to find S6. So here is the answer. So let's look at example 3. Example 3 is the value of a new car is 30,000 if the car depreciates by 5% in value each year. What will be the value of the car 13 years later? Okay, so let's look, highlight the important point. The value of the car, is 13,000 and depreciate by 5% in value each year. Okay, and then what will the value of the car be in 13 years later? After 13 years, or 13 years later, what the value of the car? So untuk soalan kereta ni dia sangat popular lah. So as we know, the value of the car is 13,000. So kita tak boleh tulis dia A1. Sebab apa? Logic 13,000 is our starting. Starting means A0. Okay, ataupun A0. A0 means 30,000. Lepas setahun dia guna, baru car tu value dia berkurang sebanyak berapa? Maka dia berkurang sebanyak 5%. Oh, saya tak tersilap kat sini. Okay, dia berkurang sebanyak, maaf ya, saya dah tersalah soleh. Dia bukan 5%, dia 20%. Okay, so 20% depreciates by 20% in value. Okay, so kalau berkurang sebanyak 20% dalam setahun, setiap tahun, bermaksud E pertama kita adalah 30,000. Ini harga yang kita dapat. E kedua, tahun yang pertama selepas dia dah guna, maksud selepas tahun dia guna, harga kereta tu akan berkurang sebanyak 20% ataupun 80% lah. So 80% darab dengan harga sebelum. Itulah harga kereta dia selepas setahun. Sebab apa? Dia berkurang sebanyak 20%. So bila berkurang 20%, kita tinggal lagi 80%. So harga dia akan jadi 80% atau 0.8 times dengan 30% harga sebelum dia. So kita dapatlah harga dia pada tahun pertama selepas dia guna adalah 10,400. Kemudian tahun kedua dia guna 10,400 darab dengan 0.8, 80% daripada harga kereta tahun pertama. So harga kereta tahun kedua dia adalah 8,320. Okay, so bila melibatkan harga kereta ni, tolong ingat A1 kita pada tahun pertama selepas diguna. So E0 ni adalah harga dia beli kereta tu. Harga dia beli kereta 3,000, setahun lepas diguna 10,400, tahun kedua diguna 8,320. Okay, so tolong ingat depreciates by 20% bermaksud dia hanya kereta dia, harga kereta seterusnya 80% darab dengan harga kereta tahun sebelum. Itulah harga kereta dia. Kalau dia kata depreciate by 5% tadi, so kita hanya tolak 5%. Jadi harga kereta tahun pertama diguna 95% times dengan 30,000. Okay, ni kalau lah dia punya percentage dia berbeza. Okay, so now we already have the sequence. So we find our common ratio. Common ratio is A2 minus A1. Our A2 is 8,320. So divide by 10,400, our A1. So we will get 0.8. So this is our common ratio. Kalau awak nak cari lagi A3, A4, carilah. Okay, A3, A4 untuk cari sama ada dia adalah common difference ataupun common ratio. Tapi usually bila depreciate by 5%, case macam ni sentiasa geometric punya cases. So tak perlu nak cari common difference, dapat je soalan depreciate ataupun dia meningkat ke increase. So itu automatically adalah geometric punya case. Okay, so we know they want us to find 13 years later. So Tn equals to ARN minus 1. This is formula for geometric. Jangan keliru dengan this is geometric. Okay, kalau arithmetic yang tadi tu A plus N minus 1D, itu Tn formula dia. So Tn formula for geometric is ARN minus 1. So just substitute the value T13. They want us to find 30 years later. So T13 equals to our A is 10,400. So this is our A1, 10,400, and then our R is 0.8, and then 13 minus 1 because 13 years. So n minus 1, 13 minus 1. So we calculate our value, we will get 6,656. So the value of the car 13 years later is Ringgit Malaysia 6,656. So you must remember, give your answer in the correct unit. If in this question example 3, they want us to find the value of the car, means you need to give the value in Ringgit Malaysia. So if in example 2, they want us to find in meter, so you can give your answer in meter or kilometer. So in this case, we can also convert to kilometer. So must use the same unit. Okay, you must give the answer in the given unit. Jangan tak tulis unit, dia akan salah. Sama juga example 1. So kalau seat, awak cakap je lah number of seat atau number of row. So that's all for 6.3. And I hope that if you have any problem, you can just WhatsApp me, and then I will assist you on that question. Alright, thank you.